From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, our wet weather pattern continues. No end in sight, at least for the rest of this week. Maybe a little bit better this weekend. We'll get to that in just a bit. But as we take a look at the big picture, 24-hour loop here of showers and storms that have been impacting the region. And we can see in the wind particles here and the cloud imagery, there's a weak area of low pressure in the northwestern part of the state. This is going to be drifting around for a couple of more days. And we have disturbances aloft that are helping ignite storms. And this pattern doesn't look to break until maybe the weekend, but we're not going to lose the rain chances, but we should see a little bit more sun. Now, once again, today it's been a wet one with showers and storms impacting the area. This is a 6-hour loop showing the action across the region. Now, heaviest storms as you get into eastern Louisiana and Mississippi, but finally moving away from us. Dialing into Power Doppler 3, and we notice spotty shower activity over the last 6 hours, but things kind of winding down, but still got a couple of hefty showers and some storms showing up. This one right here by Welsh on Highway 90. It's moving eastward into Jeff Davis Parish. Also seeing impacts in around the Kinder area. Showers and some rumbles of thunder as you go up along Highway 165 from Kinder on northward. And then farther to the east, you see just mostly light rain shower activity, but more sprinkles on tap for Lafayette the next few hours. The showers diminishing in Breaux Bridge, but more light rain showers possible before we head into the dark hours. And then as we head down to Vermilion Parish, a nice little thunder shower here showing up by Forked Island with locally heavy downpours that are heading between there and Intracoastal City and more than likely impacting some more coastal communities. Farther to the east, plenty of rain out here, especially across portions of St. Mary Parish, but now moving into the basin. And moderate showers and locally heavy showers down toward Morgan City moving out as well. Here's the last 36-hour rainfall across the area. It has been soggy. Most of us have been catching 1 inch to 2 inches, but there have been isolated spots 3 to 5, and we're not alone. And in fact, it gets even worse across the I-20 corridor where upwards of 9 or 10 inches of rain has fallen in the last 36 hours. So the big rains where we've had the flood watch up in the northern part of the state. And again, flash flood watch has been continued for central Louisiana, western Louisiana through tomorrow evening. Does include Beauregard, Vernon, Rapides, and Avoyelles parishes in kind of the KATC viewing area, but not necessarily for Acadiana proper. But that doesn't mean you can't see some locally very heavy downpours and localized street flooding. That'll still be possible for all of us. You can see the enhanced storms now moving across eastern Louisiana. Not much going back to the west to Texas, and that's good news for those folks after a soggy period. Meanwhile, in the tropics, we're watching a couple of tropical waves, one coming off the African coastline that looks to develop with time. Hurricane Center gives that a 20% chance of development. We were looking at this one yesterday. The Hurricane Center is done talking about this one. It looks like it's moving into a hostile atmosphere, but this tropical wave, we saw this earlier today, looks like this one wants to develop as it heads toward the Caribbean, and this is going to be the wave for us to watch. Why? Well, we'll show you both the Euro and the GFS models here. The Euro model has the moisture there. Still plenty of deep tropical moisture here on the Gulf Coast, but notice just a little drying as we head into the weekend. So hopefully we can tone down the rain chances a little bit. Our tropical wave not doing much, but generally heading toward the Gulf of Mexico as we get into the middle part of next week. So we'll watch this closely. There could be broad low pressure heading for the Gulf. Notice the Euro's got more activity in the eastern Atlantic. Not sure if that's going to happen or not. GFS, like earlier this year, gets a little excited, too excited perhaps, developing a tropical system in the Caribbean going into next week and perhaps heading for the Gulf of Mexico down the line, but we'll have to wait and see and watch these model trends in the days ahead. But bottom line, we do expect some named system in the next week to 10 days for sure. In the near term, we're watching this low pressure system, and that's producing the on and off showers and storms that are going to continue over the next several days. A break as you get into the evening hours. Then we see nighttime activity firing up once again. So it's going to be a period where we see those rains on and off, and a couple of inches of rain possible just about anywhere in Acadiana. And as we've been showing you, today's rain chances on and off, tomorrow's rain chances from late night through the early morning hours. So overnight tonight, 76 the low, showers and storms redeveloping later on tonight, and tomorrow another day where we see those showers and storms. Your rain chance at 90% for tomorrow. Not much sun, so we hold in the 80s. Rain chances stay high Thursday, Friday. Tone it down to about a 50-50 proposition this weekend, and that is the best we can do in the 10-day forecast for right now. So maybe a little sun this weekend.